One of the complaints that you get when you're smoking with a foil over a provost or normal foil is that sometimes you get the cold taste or the taste of the ash, or basically, if I want to comprehend that, it is basically for a couple of puffs you'll get a burning sensation. What is the remedy for that? You have to replace the coal, or basically blow out the coals and blow out from the foil. That is the remedy for that, so that you get fresh smoke and you don't get that burnt taste. In a Savant, it is non-existent. You don't have to do anything. Remember, there is a bridge plate, right? The bridge plate also, from the bridge plate also you see that ash and certain coal particles, getting here and there. But in Savant, it doesn't exist. I don't know how, because in Provost, in Provost also this happens. This happens sometimes, but not all times, sometimes. And on foil, it definitely happens, because on foil is actually directly burning the foil, right? It is directly burning the foil. And sometimes, and you have to often rotate the coals, blow out the coals for, that smell to go away. Flawless taste. Whatever this flavor is delivering, what it is basically, lemon and cheesecake. I think so this represents New York cheesecake, but this is tangy, this is full of creaminess of the cheese. I'm just loving it. Now, why Savant is better than HMDs? Definitely, there are a couple of fans of people who love the HMD and a couple of people who love to smoke on foil. Those who love to smoke on foil, for better session, for accelerated sessions, they would go for Provost or a normal foil. Better than normal foil is Provost for accelerated sessions. And those who don't mind the nick and all, like they don't want, they get buzzed up and all, then they would go for an HMD setting. But Savant serves the purpose. It doesn't give you a cold taste, it doesn't overheat, and it gives you the most appropriate session that you can ever have on a foil. Better than the Provost? Yes, better than the Provost. I'm smoking maybe like 15 minutes or so and I have not touched anything. Often, if you feel there is a lot of heat, which actually I'm not feeling right now, because I'm using a high performance tobacco, which is a Revoshi, which handles heat very well, and I like to have a little bit of the high sessions. But if you are a little bit sensitive on your throat, then you can take this coal and keep it over here and continue with 2 coals. It works. It is that easy. Just place 1 coal. Still, the Savant will manage heat for a pretty long time until you feel the need to place in this coal.